Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is I will show you how to sell physical products on Raket.ph. So this is a great platform for Filipino entrepreneurs to start an online business. So whether you are selling handmade crafts, clothing, accessories, or gadgets, I will guide you through the entire process from setting up an account to managing your sales. So, of course, let's get started here. So, you just need to tap on this one and then go here. So, you need to tap on this get started button and you are going to sign in through your Google or your email or, of course, your LinkedIn. So here guys, on this tutorial, we are focusing more on the physical products. So here, they are tangible items like clothes, gadgets, or the handmade products. So here, this requires manufacturing, storage, and then the shipping. So here, as you can see here, we are on the Racketer dashboard and then tap on this one. And here, I am going to type here my product. So as you can see here, we have different options here once you tap on this racketeer. So let's move on to the products, which is this one. Tap on this one. And here guys, you are going to list your physical product here. So the difference between the physical and digital guys is the physical product required shipping while the digital is an instant access or a download. So I'm going to make it like this. So we have our template or we can start from scratch just like this. So I am going to add here. So on this name guys, be descriptive, like describe your product carefully. So for example, this one. And then here I'm going to complete and be detailed. So just like this. And here you have two options, either digital or the physical. So my digital tutorial is on the other video. So here guys, on the physical, the storage here is warehouse, while on the digital is digital storage or the cloud. So here we are going to add here the description. So write an engaging and clear description. So including the features, materials, and then of course the sizes here. Just like this, you can check this one. Here and here guys, in the featured photos, you just need to upload clear photos. So of course guys, you need to use high quality images with good lighting. So here you can also choose stock photos guys, but it is more important to use your own picture, or for example if you are selling, you can use their picture. So you can click submit to list your product. So here, just have your pricing, but on this tutorial guys is on this website, the maximum price is 100 and above, and the stock quantity. Here you need to enter how many items are available. You can also check this one or uncheck this one. So depending on you, if you have limitations or you don't have one. So here, you can set a price here guys for the delivery fee. So here you can manage how you fulfill orders to customers here. So here you can set a price or quote it after order. So here I'm gonna change this one into 45 pesos. This is my minimum shipping fee. So the main tip here guys is high quality images and detailed descriptions attract more buyers here. So here I'm going to add instruction here, like it's very important guys to take video while unboxing. So if they want a refund, or do you want to return it? Make sure to have a video, or if they will report something about your product. So if you're done, guys, make sure to double check it, and here you can save and publish it. So here, you can see here, you'll be able to see here update successful. So when a customer orders, guys, you will receive a notification, and of course, prepare the package, pack it securely, and include a thank you note for branding, and then ship the item via your preferred courier like GNT, LBC, Grab Express, and of course, mark the order as shipped in your Raket.ph dashboard and send tracking details to your buyer. So you can also offer multiple shipping options, guys, to cater to different customer needs. While here, you can promote your products, guys, like share your product link on Facebook, Instagram, and your online groups. You can also offer discounts or bundle deals to attract more sales. And here, guys, responding to customer inquiries. So here you can track your orders here. So respond to inquiries quickly, guys, to build trust, handle complaints professionally, and offer solutions. And once the buyer confirms receipt, you'll receive the payment in your Raket.ph account. As you can see here, it is in your wallet, and then you can withdraw your funds to your Gcash, bank, or other preferred method. So, of course, providing excellent customer service, guys, increases repeat buyers. So you can see here, so this is the customers area. You can see here all the comments, the reviews of your product here. And next is these recommendations. You can manage your recommendations here. You just need to tap on this one. And next is the discount. So here you can add or manage discount codes here, guys. You just need to explore this one, and then this affiliates. You can let your friends spread the word for you and reward them, guys. And of course, the last one is the analytics, which is your rocket ship insights and report. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to sell physical products on Raket.ph. Whether you are starting a small or aiming for a full-time online business, this platform is a great way to reach customers across the Philippines. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips and guides on e-commerce. Comment below if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like me to convert. So thanks for watching and happy selling on Raket.ph. Bye!